Hi, my name is Eric. I'm with VR Booster and I'm going to introduce you to Parrot Ninja, our booking engine in Japanese for Escapia users. So I assume you use Escapia and I assume that you have a grid like this and that you want to fill it up with more bookings. And one way to do that, if you're, let's say, based in Hawaii, is to get more of these Japanese visitors. We know that today they represent more than 20% of tourists in Hawaii. They spend 30 more percent on lodging than American tourists, and they want online booking too. And as far as I know today, we are the only ones to provide Escapia users with a booking engine in Japanese, like the one that you see now on Captain Cook Resorts, Hawaiian Dream Vacations, Gaia Hawaii Vacation Rentals, and the Japanese portal Lea Lea. The online booking engine means we take the data from your Escapia, the most up-to-date data regarding availability and prices, and we are able to use them to build for you a booking engine in Japanese that has perfectly synced property descriptions, property prices, and property availability, and on which your potential guests can make a booking in a few minutes. Let me show you on a quick example. You can see that I just got the availability in real time with price codes. And let's say I like Waikiki Shore here. I can get more details and book online in just a few minutes. I'll put in a fake credit card number. Please don't do that, it's a real website, so I know what I'm doing, but and you can see here that I get a thank you message and I can go on. And that reservation will show up in the Escapia of Captain Cook Resort that I don't want to show you for confidentiality reasons. I'm showing the grid of my own vacation rental company in Prague. But anyway, you can see that in just a few bookings, you can book online here. And by the way, you can really get descriptions of the property that are like nice with pictures, floor plans, maps, and all details. You could also have videos. This property doesn't have it, but like it's possible, as you can check on other properties. Also, as you can see on my cell phone, it is responsive for cell phones and for iPad. And I have been focusing here on the Japanese booking engine, but of course you can also have the English booking engine from us. Same thing, and we are able to do any other language that you want. We are also able to build custom websites and portals like the one we did here for Lealea in Japanese and other languages. And we'll be happy to discuss more. All you have to do is go to our website, choose to book a demo online, and we'll be able to take this conversation further if need be. Otherwise, we'll soon prepare on our website the possibility to order it quickly online. The setup is pretty easy, all is pre-configured, and we can take care of the Japanese translation for you. That's an extra option. So it is time for you to think about the Japanese bookings that you can get. We hope you'll choose our solution. Thank you. Bye.